So user हामीले duplication. So we looked at this rectangle class and this is a circle class. They had so much duplicated code. So it's like fill, color, setters, getters, and all those. Right? So I would say let's try to fix that. We consider fix as I showed you yesterday. This must shape a new base class, right? Parent class. And if this part is say we can create other shapes, right? Like for example, circle code, and this for a drive, okay? Right? So what we want to do is this. So okay, this is what we're trying. Let's create a shape class. A class called shape or a shape under a class. And in this now we can create other child classes, right? Children classes. So maybe we can have say so I can have one and I can create as many as I want, right? Children classes. So here this might be say rectangle, right? Rectangle on the structure, right? I can have what circle, right? And I can have triangle and so on, right? So okay, so these are children, and then so this is what we're trying to do, okay? Whenever say what we can do is we create this shape class, right? And this shape class, shape class, where's that? This is the shape class, right? So shape class, man, definite. Let me see. I think it's better to do it here. Let's not try it, right? So let's create this shape class. Class shape class. Okay. And we need to create a constructor, right? Constructor. So I'll just copy this. So I don't. Let's fix this. Right. So this is the shape class. Okay. And then so yesterday we saw this, right? So constructor. So here let's change the default value to be color equal black and fill equal false. Okay. And then getters and setters, right? That means let's put some getters there. So we can put get color and set color, right? Get color, and likewise set color. Set color. Okay, and then we can do this set color. Set color. Of course, so you can do self will be also instance methods, right? And then what do we do? Self dot underscore color is equal to self and set color with the color to be which color to use set right. So okay, and this is get field set, right? Get field set. So just copy this and that's all messed up now. Anyway, so, Okay, so rather, okay, this is where they also. So anyway, so here is the constructor. This is the constructor. This is a base class. Right? This is the constructor. These are getter setter. This is get caller, means set caller, and getter setter value. Get field and it's set. Right? Okay, here we see some just right? So all of them, all these shapes will have this. Right? Haric shape of caller filled it. Right? And so we need to get the color, the value of the color, and set the color. And get the what is the value in filled, and like set fill like set. You see. So so this will be common to all the shape classes. Right? So fish shape classes will be common, right? Okay. All right. Let's create our this class rectangle shape. And we see what's happening here. The shape here भित्र हेर्नुस् के भयो यहाँ shape राख्यो नि यो argument हैन यो यहाँ राखेपछि के हुन्छ अब
inheritance shape को attributes are
very good. So shape is the parent class हैन shape चाहिँ parent class हुन्छ rectangle को parent class हुन्छ means rectangle will be derived from shape by shape are derived. Okay, very good. Okay, and then as you know, okay, what is this one? It's a Q.
constructor.
Constructor, thank you. A constructor. You construct length or breadth which is specific to rectangle. This is specific to rectangle. Rectangle length or breadth. Okay, so I need this specific was super.init. Super.init super refers to its parent. It's parent lady for us. Okay, when you see rectangle parent group. Who is the parent? Which class is the parent of rectangle?
Shape
class.
Shape class. When we say shape.init, it is call as a shape.init call that as. So that calls the constructor of the parent class. It is saying when it'll call here. It'll call this, right? Yeah, call this, yeah, call of Qs. See. We'll call but did we provide any argument? Yeah, understand? The argument provided by see self.call argument.
black
And self dot you fill and underscore fill say false, right? Okay, by default. Okay, very good.
false.
False, very good. Thank you. So now again same. So अनि त्यसपछि अब त्यो दुईटा सेट भइहाल्यो अनि चाहिँ हामी यो सेट गरौँ है लेंथ सेट गरौँ अनि ब्रेथ सेट गरौँ है डिस्टेंस लेंथ अनि डिस्टेंसको ब्रेथ लेंथ इक्वल टु के भन्दा यहाँबाट हामी जे दिन्छौँ त्यो लेंथ सेट हुन्छ अनि ब्रेथमा हामी यहाँबाट जे दिन्छौँ है त्यही नै हैन यो डिस्टेंसको ब्रेथ त्यो भ्यालुमा सेट है यहाँसम्म बुझिराख्नु भएको छ तपाईहरु
Yes.
Okay. अब त्यस्तै गरी अब यसको स्पेसिफिक टु रेक्टेंगल स्पेसिफिक के भयो है लेंथ र ब्रेथ भयो यिनीहरुको लागि पनि गेटर सेटर चाहियो हैन सो गेट लेंथ ले के गर्छ रिटर्न यसको लेंथ जति छ त्यो रिटर्न गर्छ है हामीले अस्ति भने नि त हैन मैले भने नि इन्क्याप्सुलेसन मेकिङ वी डोन्ट वान्ट टु लेट द आउटसाइड एन्टिटीज हैन access these and it's the length or breadth or we don't want them to access let them access using instance dot underscore length and this we're going to be doing rather than somebody so we need to get that through some kind of a method interface okay so you're saying we are exposing this as interface to the outside so that outside entities they need to use this okay in order to access our data. Right? That's what data hiding is all about, right? Okay. So whenever see def get length self return self dot length. Okay. Okay, using getter via setter saying if you want to set the length to something, and you need to call this method. Your method called so when you're saying set length length you separate length set is त्यतिमा set हुन्छ right? That's what set is. And same thing, right? Get breadth is set, right? Okay? अनि यहाँनिर अब के भयो भन्दाखेरि एउटा यो दुईटा कुरा थप्यो है get area which is length times breadth है सबैमा self छ यो याद गर्नु भएको छ सबै variables मा self छ हैन हामीले अस्ति भन्यो नि हैन so every instance variable should be preceded by self dot okay so that's what we're doing सबैमा हेर्नुस् त perimeter भनेको के हो 2 times l plus b right self dot length plus self dot breadth or quantity times 2 right addition गरेर sum को 2 times right यो त formula खास okay okay so यो चाहिँ rectangle भयो likewise you have circle right circle ma circle ma circle ma same thing right same thing what we're doing is this is the construct of circle and हामीले यसको specific radius मात्रै हो radius is this specific to circle हैन अनि super dot unique फेरि भन्नुस् त what does super refer to super
parent class
which is QS case na shape so shape को यहाँ जान्छ of course अघि जस्तै same thing है यहाँ हामीले के पनि दिएको छैन भनेपछि color black लियो fill false हुन्छ है okay अनि त्यसपछि it will come down here अनि यहाँ चाहिँ जुन radius हामीले पास गर्यो self dot radius underscore radius is radius right okay and get radius set radius भइहाल्यो अनि यो चाहिँ area मा okay get area so get perimeter but यो र यो एउटै छ जस्तो names are the same यसको नाम same छ but their implementation are different because हैन rectangle को area निकाल्ने length times breadth हुन्छ भने circle को area के हुन्छ what is the area of a circle
2 pi r
pi r square
pi r square हैन very good pi r square 2 pi r भनेको त्यो चाहिँ perimeter है जुन कि circumference circumference भनेको perimeter हो okay so यहाँसम्म clear छ तपाईहरुलाई is it making sense भनेपछि हामीले के गर्यौं we inheritance use गर्यौं है inheritance use गर्यौं okay so ठिक छ is it making sense or not अब यसमा के गर्यौं let's see यसमा let's put these attributes right a circle मा के attributes छ भन्नुस् त what attributes are there shape मा के छ color
field radius
radius छैन shape मा radius
circle को parameter
छैन है okay color fill अनि get color even यसको get a setter भनौं get a setter है अनि अब rectangle मा के छ
length breadth
and this is के छ breadth अनि अरु के छ
area perimeter
get area यो चाहिँ अब यसको get a setter भइहाल्यो यसको यो दुवैको get a setter मा लेख्दिन है get a setter छ हैन अनि त्यसपछि त्यो बाहेक हैन हाम्रो के छ get area छ अनि get के छ अर्को perimeter हो है त्यसै गरी अब circle मा के छ
radius
है radius अनि अरु
get area अनि get perimeter
and get perimeter here get perimeter okay see अब के भयो भन्दा अब color fill यसको get a setters हरु हैन अनि यो सबै यो कमन कुराहरु अब it's a triangle हो भने त्यसमा color fill हुन सक्छ हैन हुन्छ हैन so now अब भनेपछि के भयो भन्दाखेरि अब यसमा we putting those specific हैन जस्तै length or breadth भनेको specific to rectangle हैन जस्तै radius भनेपछि specific to circle हैन त्यस्तो कुराहरु मात्रै जहाँ राख्यो कि जुन कि specific to this child class हैन त्यो मात्रै property राख्यो हैन अनि त्यो अनुसारको of course we have this get a satisfy हैन अनि त्यो बाहेक अब यो दुईटा चाहिँ get area get perimeter है they have the same name They have the same name, but it's a difference there. Different
Return argument.
written argument. This implementation as a whole, as a whole. This implementation is for and because the way you can say rectangle area calculate. What is the area of rectangle?
L into B.
L into B.
Very good. Like that's bad. This is circle ko
Pi r square.
pi r square. When we say, of course, it's implementation for of course, we parameter. Right? So anyway, so this is the state of our, so this is what inheritance is, isn't it, sir? I know. Inheritance, right? So let's put it into action. Really? Let's put it into action. You got it, now. Okay. So I'm looking let's create this an instance. Right? Your instance now. Okay? So rather. This I'm going to create this. It's code. Okay, yes, directly copy. So import. Take this shape lincher. This is a rectangle lincher. This is a circle. So take this and then let's play with it. So copy selection. And then so here and then right here. Paste it. Yeah. Okay, so obviously, so I have these three classes. Rather. You're right. You go to right something. So, right there. So now we have these three classes: shape, rectangle, and circle. And rectangle and circle are derived from shape, right? Okay, so let's do something. Okay, so let's try this. So if I do, say, rect1, right? Rectangle 1 is equal to your instantiate with that. So I want to instantiate rectangle. So what do I need to give? So what do I need to do? Rectangle instance right? So how can I create an instance of a rectangle? Instantiate
Class लेखेर अनि parameter दिनु पर्यो.
Class the bicycle.
Argument pass गर्नु पर्यो.
Okay. So what should I write here?
Rectangle bracket मा अनि value.
Very good. Very good. Rectangle. Yeah, Vitra. Will kick it in.
Numeric value. Length र breadth.
Very good. Really? Like your columns, right? So we need to pass length and breadth. Very good. Hey, look at length and breadth. Maybe let's say 10 or 20. Okay. 10 or 20 must be passed. Okay. Now let me run this. So I don't have to run that code, Matthew code. Every time I don't need to run every time. Okay, so we run this like to run. So and if I come down here, see my rect, right? So I created this rect, and then rect one will do that. It's just one I okay. We just go length of my day. So if I do it, let's play with that, right? Rect, right? Rect one dot length for underscore length underscore Is that understood? Understood? Yes, that's right. Will I rect1 dot underscore length variable के आउँछ
error आउँछ
error आउँछ के underscore error आउँछ किन आउँछ होला error error आउँछ र
Local variable var sir. Local.
error आउँछ That's right. Underscore length yeah.
underscore like protected मान्छ अनि protected लाई बाहिरबाट
That's right. Yeah. That's correct. Yeah, the underscore rooms. Yeah, that's the reason. Yeah. Okay, so how can I get the length? Well, yes. So right here, so we didn't allow it. By the say more your with the outside entity. I'm trying to access length directly. That's how right? Underscore length That's funny. Right? Underscore length is there. And we underscore length we are saying, of course, and it's a private feature. It's a private feature. यहाँको बाहिरको एन्टिटी अब यहाँ भित्र चाहिँ मजाले मिल्यो जस्तै अब यहाँ सबै ठाउँमा हामी गरिरहेको छौँ यहाँ गरिरहेको छौँ है सो तर आउटसाइड एन्टिटीले त्यो देख्दैन हैन सो त्यसले गर्दा द्याट्स द रिजन सी यहीँनिर आई वाज नट एबल टु एक्सेस डाइरेक्टली त्यो डेटालाई म डाइरेक्टली एक्सेस गर्न सकिनँ है ओके सो रादर हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो भन्दाखेरि अब व्हाट डु वी नीड टु डु अब यसमा कसरी मैले लेन्थ चाहियो भने मैले कसरी निकाल्नु रेक्ट 1 को मलाई लेन्थ निकाल्नु पर्यो by the way get length very good so that's the reason we need getter since address okay very good right rect1 dot get length by the way 10 minutes ma सिद्धिन्छ यो सिद्धिनुको चाहिँ फेरि जोइन गर्नु right okay so get length of course get length that's it that's all I need right see data very good okay all right so त्यस्तै गरी अब मलाई okay I want to so set मलाई length लाई 10 बाट मैले 30 बनाउनु पर्यो कसरी मैले of course I cannot do this right can I do rect1 dot underscore length is equal to 30 so मिल्छ हैन मिल्दैन of course because मिल्दैन गर्नु दिँदैन oops it is set. Set got it. Although yeah, we had 30 but it didn't take it. Yeah. So we 10 days. But you see, of course, this didn't work. Although error message error that is still it's intact. The length hasn't been changed. Right? So this is what encapsulation is all about. So okay, so this thing we can do while it's connecting. I can write another of a circle, right? A circle, circle. Let's see, C1 circle is equal to instance
Circle.
Circle.
And radius के value pass कर दे.
Radius simple. So circle C1 equal to circle 3. Okay, so that means okay. Now I can do what? Let me see. Now let's go malai circle radius. Okay. Got the radius. C1 dot here as the underscore radius, right? Of course, right? It's a number not see. So China भन्छ तर actually that's fun kind of our it's right there. And yes, it's fun. So तर है यसरी डाइरेक्टली एक्सेस गर्ने है सो हामीले रादर के गर्नु पर्यो र के गर्नु
C1 dot get radius.
Okay, so get radius. So it'll give me the yeah, I got 3 है अब यसलाई सेट गर्नु पर्यो भनेपछि मैले के गर्नु पर्यो यसलाई सेट गर्नलाई C1 dot के गर्नु पर्यो
Set radius.
कतिमा सेट गर्नुलाई त 6 मा सेट गर्छु है त and then let's see and now I can do C1 dot get 6 see so this is the encapsulation in action right? Encapsulation in action. Okay, so let's see. Okay. अब यो भयो अब यसमा अब गेट एरिया सेट एरिया पनि गरौँ हैन जस्तै मैले यहाँनेर मैले के गर्छु ओके rect1 dot get area गर्छु so let's put the answer 200 I can 10 20 or 10 so 20 or 10 so 10 or 20 yes it should be 200 which is good right 200 I very good okay. How about C1 dot get area yeah pi r square right pi 3.1459 times 36 no 36 भनेपछि करिब करिब कति आउँछ 120 25 जस्तो है around okay very good see I mean yeah so this is so convenient right convenient so यहाँ पनि get area छ right same thing right get area तर के छ भन्दाखेरि उले हैन करेक्ट रिजल्ट नो म्याटर के जो हामीले जुन इन्स्टेन्समा कल गरिरहेको छौँ त्यो इन्स्टेन्स अनुसार उले चाहिँ करेक्ट इम्प्लिमेन्टेसन अथवा करेक्ट लाइक फंक्शन मेथडलाई कल गर्छ and gives us the correct result hey okay so you to make convenient so this is called polymorphism polymorphism that's what polymorphism is hey polymorphism okay so let's go back okay so okay when you see now you saw what inheritance is inheritance as you know space now you सबैले color field सबैले inherit गर्छ यसले पनि color field र getter set सबै inherit गर्छ यसले पनि हैन color field भन्ने properties plus त्यसको getter set सबै मेथडहरु inherit गर्छ र यसले आफूले चाहेको है आफूले चाहेको हुनाले उसको स्पेसिफिक उसको आवश्यकता हुन्छ उसले आफ्नो प्रपर्टिजहरु एड गर्न मिल्छ जस्तै यसको केसमा लेन्थ ब्रेथ एड गर्यो यसको getter set एड गर्यो यो केसमा रेडियस एड गर्यो getter set एड गर्यो गेट एरिया यो सबै एड गर्यो आफूले चाहेको आवश्यकता हुन्छ थप्दै जान्छ है उसले यहाँबाट सबै पाउँछ शेप जुन प्यारेन्टबाट सबै पाउँछ प्लस उसले आफ्नो थप्न पनि पाएको सेम विथ ट्रायंगल है यो चाहिँ हाम्रो इनहेरिटेन्स भयो हैन इनहेरिटेन्स है अब चाहिँ सो हामी अब पोलिमर्फिजमको कुरा गरौँ है अब यु स व्हाट पोलिमर्फिजम इज पोलिमर्फिजम भनेको एउटै त्यही नै मेथड नेम युज गरेर हैन त्यही नै मेथड नेम युज गरेर हैन सो depending on from which object or instance you're calling from हैन त्यसले चाहिँ करेक्ट यसको मेथड डेफिनेसनमा गएर त्यसले चाहिँ त्यसलाई कल गर्छ त्यसलाई कल गरेर करेक्ट रिजल्ट दिन्छ भनेपछि एकदमै त्यसले इट सिम्प्लिफाइज थिंग्स अ लट है एकदमै त्यो सिम्प्लिफाई गर्छ है ओके सो म तपाईहरुलाई त्यसको एक्जाम्पल है few minutes to disconnect. Okay, so mo yo disconnecting गर्छु अनि फेरि जोड्छु
सर साउन्ड आएन
हेलो अहिले कस्तो छ? Okay, anyway, so please come back. Hey,